city once in a while. We don't live that far, and we don't really come here often. So we decided to come today and vlog for you guys for a little bit. My hands, my fingers are freezing, but I'm doing it for you guys.
You're forgetting a good part.
What?
Why we're here.
Oh yeah, so we're here because we're celebrating 6 years of us. Yeah, so we're here, but we just wanted to have a good time, spend some quality time together.
Yeah.
We met in high school, and 6 years later, we're here, stronger than ever. So we just wanted to come to the city.
Beautiful, guys. You should really.
Yeah.
Can I get a 12 hot chocolate?
The idea is to buy something, to use the bathroom. Yeah.
Hey guys, you see this bathroom open? It's the Starbucks. So I had to order a macchiato or use the bathroom. Hey, that's what you gotta do in New York, right?
She is the tourist.
I am the tourist.
Yes. So we gotta get our metro card now. I don't know how much it is. How much is it? $2.50? $2.25? $3? I feel like every time it comes here, it goes up like a quarter or something.
Sponsor me. Thanks.
Metro card. New card. $3. She is so scared. Come here.
What?
Are you scared?
A little bit. You hear stories.
Stories about what? No. You hear stories about people like having a seizure and falling over.
Like people getting pushed or
No,
something.
people don't get pushed.
Alright. Falling, no one helping him.
Oh wait, this is a 6 train. Just in time. Otherwise, we would have been upstairs waiting.
Waiting for the 4.
waiting for the 4 train. All right, so now we're good. We're going 42nd, right?
Yes.
All right. Look. Told you haven't been here. like it?
Yeah, it's so beautiful. The clock is...
Where's the clock?
It's right there. You always see it.
Yes. No, I'm
Sponsor
good.
me. Oh, I'm so excited. In case y'all have never seen New York pizza.
It's supposed to be like, this is supposed to be like the best in town. According, that's what they all say.
Yeah, I know, right?
And they pitch you a good sale right before you buy it.
Yes, we got some Sprite on the side, and we got a water. No name because they're not sponsoring me.
All right, so where are we going?
We are going to Rockefeller Center. We are going to see the ice rinks, and we're going to go see the big Christmas tree, and it's going to be a great time. I started off in New York. I tried. Oh, shit, that's high.
Imagine having a driveway like this. It's so dope.
As long as no one's fighting each other, I'm good. You know what you I'm a rapper, I'm gonna drop in soon. Make sure you cop that album.
Stay tuned. Squad life, yeah!
Come on, take a picture.
No, stop.
Hilfa! What do you want? Chicken?
Yeah, with the water. So yeah, so shout out to Sandra and Michelle. You guys were honestly blessings, and I wish God to bless you in your future, and I pray that you have love, kindness, and prosperity in your life. Amen. No, they pretty much said, even though you guys are young, I learned something from you, and that meant a lot, honestly.
The moment that I learned about God and I started learning more about Him, you gain wisdom. Reading the Bible gives you wisdom. I don't try to take control of my life. I try to let God control my life because He knows what's best for us. So I was just sharing things just about our relationships, why it's so successful, and these women were so blown away.
They were really nice though.
Yeah.
And I was really quiet. Ricardo does a lot of the talking because I get shy. They were beautiful people, inside and out, honestly. You guys were amazing.
Well, we had a great conversation, and I wish you guys the best.
Me too. Like I said, God bless you, and I really hope that He brings true love into your life.
Yes.
Honestly.
Yes. And be patient. Everything takes time.
Be patient and be open and give 100% always.
Yes. And have faith. That's key. You cannot have you cannot.
Hashtag. Sorry, he said vlog life, so I said hashtag.
And have faith. Without faith is almost impossible to live in this world, because faith allows us to believe in something we don't see. So believe that you're successful, believe that you're a winner, have faith. Whatever you're gonna do in life, whatever risk you're gonna do, have the faith that you're gonna come out on top. I think that's the most important thing, that the message that I gave to them. Have faith, love, and if you're gonna love, also forgive.
Amen.
Amen.